If you've ever tried solving a Rubik's Cube before, you'd know it's not a simple task. In fact, there is a record time and tournaments held for those who can solve it under a certain amount of time. If this is your first time stopping by our channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Because today we're going to be viewing people who solve world's hardest Rubik's Cubes in record time. Before we get into the harder cubes, let's take a look at a simple 4x4 cube. This guy managed to solve it pretty quickly, but I guess that's an easy thing to say, since it's a relatively smaller Rubik's Cube. Let's take a look. Next up, we got the fastest record time taken to solve a Rubik's Cube. This cube is the standard size, and it took the boy 4.59 seconds to solve it. He seemed extremely taken aback at the end when he realized that he actually broke the record time. Next, we got another standard Rubik's Cube size solved by a talented boy. He managed to solve it in 4.69 seconds, only moments later than the record time. However, he still seemed pretty impressed and proud.
I am ready. What actually? What? Yeah, Patrick, let's go! Yeah!
And finally, we got a pretty crazy competition. I'm not really sure how he managed to solve it in the time he did, but the boy was completely blindfolded after he had a quick look at the cube, and managed to solve it in 27.65 seconds. Not only that, but he seemed so cool and collected afterwards, like it's no big deal. So these are 4 people who solved the Rubik's Cube in record time. What did you guys think? Did you ever try and solve a Rubik's Cube before? Comment down below and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.